So in chess, sometimes pawn plays very important role in defense. So in order to get rid of it, we either can exchange it with the other pawn, and the other option is to sacrifice a piece. So in this position, this f7 pawn is basically defends the king, and we could mate on f7, but the knight defense is, unfortunately, we cannot get rid of this knight because we cannot play knight b5, pawn will take. So another idea is to give mate with this knight. So what do? We take here, and knight g6, checkmate. So let's check another option. In this position, we could easily mate black with g8, but the rook protects it, so we just eliminate this rook and play rook to g8. And this is a nice example, I think. Again, white has big attack going on, but black has a lot of material advantage, basically 2 rooks up. So how do we mate black here? The problem is that this rook protects g7 and this pawn protects g6 from this mate. So we just take here and knight to g6, checkmate. Alright, thank you very much for watching and see you next time.